How to clip on Kick. Hi there, today we will be teaching you how you will be able to use the kick.com clip option. All you have to do is go log into your Kick account, and when you click on browse, that's on the top part of the website, you'll be able to see that beside live channel there are clips that has been uploaded into different channels that have been streaming here on Clip. So what you can do here is simply go to live streams or choose a video that you want to look into or you want to watch or you want to create a clip for. So what you'll do is choose the live stream or a video, and then here when you hover on the bottom part of the video, you'll be able to see that there's an option for you to create a clip. So all you have to do is just wait for the clip to fully load, since it may take a while for you to enter the editing mode for the clip so that you'll be able to upload or for you to be able to save or post a clip into your channel. So you just need to wait for that to fully load here. And once fully loaded here, you'll be able to edit the clip. So you will need to add a clip description, since that would be required for you to publish the clip. And you can actually modify or change the different time range or how long the clip would be. You can shorten or you can um, make the clip longer. You can definitely have that option. And keep in mind that with creating a clip here on Kick, there's actually a time limit. So around 5 minutes you need to publish the clip so that you will have the clip in your channel. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.